Hey everyone, so today's gonna be a little bit different today in regards to me making a recipe. I'm about to make dinner right now, and I just thought this would maybe be a little bit better to show you what I do when I have to think very creatively on what I have in the pantry or the fridge. So I'm gonna show you guys what I currently have right now. I got this green lentil lasagna pasta, and I've been really excited to try something new with it. So I bought this, which is dairy-free mozzarella. I thought I'd give that a try, and I'm gonna make this vegetarian. So I have some zucchini in the fridge. I got a green and, let's see, yellow one. And I'm gonna slice these up, and got some sun-dried tomato from Costco. Thought that'd be really good with it. Some leftover basil, or actually some grown basil here, and leftover spinach, that's what I meant to say. And some mushrooms, I think I will add it in, maybe not, I'm not quite sure. And some garlic and pasta sauce. So yeah, this is like a regular thing, you know. I always look in the pantry and see what I got, and I cook with what I have. So hopefully you guys like it. I'm gonna try to whip this up and do a little demo about me putting this all together. I'm gonna flip it to the next scene so you guys can see how I whip this up together right on the spot. All right, we're first gonna put the cast iron skillet on. We're gonna put that on medium high. I'm gonna get some of this olive oil. Oh, it's not even open. All right, let's get some of that olive oil going. Now I wanna lay these zucchini. I cut them into really thin slices, as you can see here. And I thought these would be really good to layer on with the lasagna. So I'll start that for now. Alright, so we're letting those zucchini sizzle. But honestly, I may just throw all these in because they're going to lightly saute anyways. Oops, I forgot this one too. So we are gonna add some salt to this pan, and then black pepper, super important. Red chili flakes won't hurt. I like a little kick. And some Italian seasoning. We'll be sprinkling this throughout the dish. I'm gonna take my tongs here, bring this a little bit higher heat. Now they're going to be cooking in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. So I don't really need to fully saute them because they're going to cook the rest in the oven. Okay, so let's dump this back into the bowl that we have here. We'll set that aside. Oh yeah, this looks good. Okay. There's still oil remaining. What we're now gonna add are the portobello mushrooms that I had showed you earlier, and I had sliced them and cleaned them off. We're gonna add those to the pan. Okay, I'm gonna drop one, put that one back in. I swear, I have like butterfingers, so a lot of times you see in my cooking that I just drop everything. All right, we're gonna add black pepper. And it looks a little bit dry, so if it does look like that, you can add a little bit more olive oil. Never hurts to have a little bit more. Make sure that those cook too. Oh my gosh, this already looks so good. It's halfway cooked. And again, you don't need to have it fully cooked. You just want it to brown a little bit. Alright, now time for assembly. Okay, so here's the fun part. I'm gonna open this tomato sauce that I bought. Let's see if I can. Alright. Trick is, use a knife, loosen that up a little bit. It's coming! Alright. Okay, now we're gonna take a little bit of this sauce let's spread it all on the bottom of the pan. And you know what? It never hurts to add a little bit of salt here. And usually I would saute this, but honestly, I am starving. So usually that is the case, and I would try to find what is the best way to make this the fastest. So, cheat is sometimes key. That's Italian seasoning right there. I'm gonna add a little bit more pepper flakes. And you know what would be really good? This minced garlic that I bought from Costco. Oops, that splattered everywhere. Okay, let's give this a good mix. Oh yeah. Alright, now let's open this box of green lentil lasagna. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try this. I love this brand. I've shown this edamame pasta before on my YouTube. If you guys have not seen it yet, you guys should definitely check it out. But yeah, it's so delicious. I'm wondering what's the best way to put this down. I'm wondering if I like split one in half. That would be pretty good. Alright. Now we have our dairy-free mozzarella. We're going to try to cover as much as we can. Okay, next I think I'm going to add these zucchinis. These zucchinis look really good. Let's make it kind of colorful. I don't know if I have that many yellow, to be quite honest, but that looks pretty good. I'm going to add some of the mushroom that we cooked. This is some spinach and some sun-dried tomatoes would be really good in here. These are organic dried tomatoes. Alright, now back in with the sauce. This is going to be super, super hearty. Sprinkle in a little bit more salt. Same drill. Black pepper. Hope no one heard that. Italian seasoning. I'm telling you, I have like butterfingers. Okay, some red pepper. Back in with these pastas. Oh yeah. That looks so good. I think I'm gonna break this up again. Put one right here. Put one right there. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of this sauce. See how that. And then I'm gonna add more of this cheese. Alright, back in with the zucchini. This is the last layer, so I'm going to try to fit everything I can in here. I think it can. Perfect. In with the mushrooms. Back in with the rest of the spinach. Okay, sun-dried tomatoes. I'm just realizing this would be so good for lunch and dinner for a full week. Like, if I was eating this all by myself, I'm pretty sure that would last me forever. Alright, the last of these pastas. I'm gonna load the rest of this tomato sauce and coat all of that lasagna pasta. I am going to sprinkle the rest of this cheese. Now I'm gonna add these cut basil. This looks so good. Like, take a look at that. I can't believe that came together so quickly. I'm gonna do foil for maybe 25 minutes, and then I'm going to uncover it for another 20 minutes or so. So we're gonna add this into the oven for 20 minutes first, and I covered it with foil. I poked a little few holes. Oh my God, can I even talk? I poked a few holes in them, and then after 20 minutes I'm gonna be taking the foil off so that way the cheese can get nice and golden brown, and then we'll take it out to see what the end product is like. Okay, let me go put it in the oven now. This lasagna turned out amazing, didn't it? I hope you guys enjoyed this lasagna recipe that I just quickly fixed up, and if you guys did like this video, make sure that you like and hit subscribe right down below, as well as that notification bell, because I do post videos every single week. If you guys did like this video, I would love if you guys can comment down below. I know it was a little bit different this time. Anyone can cook, and it's very simple to whip things up as long as you just get the creative mindset and know that food is just food, and a lot of things can go well together. So I will see you guys next time in my upcoming video. Bye.